today to make a real quick dessert for you. And I'm going to call it Air Fryer Peaches a la mode. And I was in Aldi's the other day and I bought a big bag of these yummy peaches. So I'm going to show you how we do this, and you're not going to believe how easy it is. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, I'd love to have you. And go check out my other channel too. Links down below for you. So let's get started. First, you're going to need a piece of aluminum foil. So I have this piece here, and I'm going to just fold it over. I'm going to double it, just so you don't have a mess in your air fryer, and I'll show you why. All right, I happen to be using this air fryer. It's a round one, my Ninja, but you can use any one you want. Okay, you just fold this a little bit nicely in there. Put that aside. Now I have peaches here. You don't want them overripe, but you don't want them too hard. Just a little bit in between. And I washed all my peaches and I washed my hands. So I'm going to take a knife. What I'm going to do is slice the peach in half with a knife. Just like this. I'll try to zoom in on it so you can see it better. Okay. Peach fell right apart. Now, depending on the pit, sometimes they're easy to come out and sometimes they're not. Well, look at this one. This little thing fell right out of there. We have to get the outside of the pit removed. So just take your spoon, go around the pit. It'll come out. Some come out a little easier than others. And this is what you want your peach to look like. Okay? So let me do the other one. Get that little green thing off the corner. We don't want that in there. No. These are so delicious, especially for this time of year. So I'm just going around the pit with my spoon, as you can see. And I'm going to pop it right out of there. See? Okay, so now I have my two peach halves. Well, now this is where the aluminum foil comes in. I'm going to put this here. And I'm going to place my two peach halves right on top of the aluminum foil. Just like that. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little oil. I have a sprayer here. You don't want to put a lot, just a little squirt of oil on your peaches. Okay. Now I'm going to take my cinnamon and just sprinkle some cinnamon on the top of each one. Oh, they look great already. I haven't done anything to them. All right. Now I'm going to take a little brown sugar. And I can use this spoon, it's okay. I'm just going to sprinkle little brown sugar on the top of them. Mmm, smells yummy. Oh yeah. Okay. Yummy, yummy. Put that aside. Next, I'm going to take some honey. And I have a squirt bottle here. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of honey on the top of each one. Not too much, just a little bit. Mmm. Alrighty. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat my air fryer. You don't want to make it too high. I'm going to put it on 350 degrees. So let me put air fryer 350. Okay. I'm going to just fold this up a little bit. And I'm going to put the peaches in my air fryer. Just lift up your foil and put them right in there. Super simple. Okay. Now, I like to cook these for about 7 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to suggest put the air fryer on 7 minutes and then check it. If they look like they're getting nice and browned and done to you, well, that's it. Otherwise, you can leave them on another few minutes. So let's put this baby on. And I'll put it on 7 minutes to start. And turn it on. And see how these come out. Now, you might ask, Diva, how do you serve these? Well, don't go away because I'm going to get a plate. I'm going to plate them for you and I'm going to show you. Remember, they're air fryer peaches a la mode. So So we have a couple more minutes to go on that. Now, how do you think I'm going to serve this? Well, it's a la mode, right? So I'm going to serve this with something that I know just about everybody's going to love. Oh, do these smell so good? Oh my goodness. Summer is a perfect time for peaches. These peaches I purchased, they were in a big bag, and let me tell you, I took one look at them and I said, those are beauties. And adults and kids alike will love this. When you put this dish in front of you, I don't think there's going to be too many people that are going to say, what is that? Or I don't like that. They're probably going to say, give me more. Okay, they'll be done in a few minutes. The smell, oh, it's just heavenly. I only have about another minute or so to go. So what you want to do is get out your dish to put them on. Okay, the air fryer just went off at 7 minutes. So let me take a quick peek. Oh yeah, I think they're done. Oh yeah. So what I'm going to do is let me remove them with the foil. Just push it up on the sides. There you go. Ooh. That back in. Look at that. Now I'm going to plate them. Look at this. Oh, I'll put a photo in for you. All right. So you can pour that just like this over the peaches. Move this out of the way. And then I'm going to sprinkle just a touch more, not much, of honey on there. A little bit. There you go. All right. And now, how do we serve these peaches a la mode? Well, I'm going to use vanilla ice cream. I have vanilla bean ice cream here. And I am going to put a scoop on top of these heavenly peaches. Alrighty. Oh, this is going to be so good. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Woo! So yummy. And presentation to me is everything. So I'm going to just take a little tiny bit more cinnamon and put it on the top just so it looks nice. Alrighty. Now's the best part. Let me move the ice cream out of the way. And I have a knife here. Let me get a fork. And I'm going to give these babies a taste. Oh boy. Oh, they smell so good. Woo! Nice and soft. My knife went right through them. Oh boy. Absolutely delicious. Oh. I can't wait to eat these while they're nice and warm with that cold ice cream on the top. I thank you all for watching this quickie, but it's a goodie. And pick up some peaches next time you're at the store and a little vanilla ice cream. And if you have an air fryer, you definitely want to try these. So I want to thank you all for watching. I love you all and I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're not already subscribed, smash that subscribe button. But anyway, I will see you all very soon. Love you. Gonna eat my peaches. Toodles!